Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we're going to be showing you how to completely lock down Windows. So for example, if it's like a family PC, here's how you lock it down. First off, we have a really important thing. This only works in Windows 11 Pro, not Home, Pro. So make sure you have Pro installed. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to click Windows plus X, and it'll open up this menu. Go over to Computer Management. Once you're in here, go to Local Users and Groups, and go to Users. Now, when you're creating your user account, make sure it's like in username style, so that because this next step will be really important. You'll go in, double click your user, and then you'll see where it says full name. You'll actually put in your name and then click apply. Okay. And now when we sign out and go to sign back in, it'll look something like this. So you don't have that awful username kind of thing when you are that pops up normally when you set up Windows. Okay, for this next step, what we're gonna do, go to the search menu down here. Then we're going to go to edit, search up edit group policy, and open this up. Once you're in the group policy, you want to go to Windows settings, security settings, local policies, and then security options. In security options, what you want to do, where it says block Microsoft accounts, you want to click that, and then click users can't add or log on to Microsoft accounts. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down until you see interactive login. So at the first one where it says display user information when the session's locked, change that to user display name, domain, and usernames. And then where it says don't display last signed in, click enabled. And then don't display username signed in, set to disabled. And now when we sign out and go to sign back in, you'll see this menu that says other user. Now where it says username, the exact same username you have to set up. For example, mine's 6tech, and your password. Do not type in what you put for the full name or else it will not work. See, it will say it's incorrect. And then you want to type in the actual username and then your password. And right there it actually says the username. So yeah. Okay, for our next step, we're going to want to hop back into computer management. And then once you're in here, go back to the same menu that we were at before. Once you're in this menu, now you want to click the more actions and then new user. So then you would type in a username. For example, I'm going to do test or kid1. And then we're going to say kid1 for full name. And then for password, this is really important. Uncheck users must change password at next login. And change it. Users cannot change password and password never expires. And set a password. For example, I'm just going to set 1. And then create. And then close it out, and then you'll see your thing pops up right there. Do this a few more times, and then you'll have something that looks like this. So now you'll see we have adult 1, kid 2, and then the 6tech profile. So now when you sign out again, it will show the same menu, but stuff will be different now. So yeah, when you go to sign in, you want to type in the username that you wanted. So for example, we're going to do kid1. And then put in the password, and then it will show the username, and then it will welcome, and then it will have to go through its little hello, we're getting Windows ready for you thing, and then it will show you the privacy settings. In my mind, just disable them all because they're all pointless. And then when you click next and then accept, and then you'll just be brought to the normal desktop. So, and then if we want to do more locking down, here's the next step. Okay, so we want to go back into the group policy, And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to where it says user configuration, and then we're gonna open up administrative templates, and then we're gonna go in through to the desktop, and then desktop again. Now here you see where it says desktop wallpaper. You can make it so that they cannot change the wallpaper at all. So like, see on here we have it set so that it does not change off the default Windows wallpaper. So like, you cannot change wallpaper at all. So like, if I go into personalize right now and try to change my wallpaper, you see it says some of these settings are managed by your organization. You can do the same thing for colors and the themes. I'm pretty sure you can set a custom same theme. There's just a bunch of stuff. And yeah, that is how you can lock down Windows. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.